So on the topic of self-criticism, Louise Hay has written that self-criticism may not be the most productive means of improving oneself, and instead you should always accept yourself. Any thoughts on self-criticism?
So when you're talking about criticism and self-criticism, the reason we criticize ourselves is only because we want to change something, we want to improve something. Hmm? And if we, by criticizing ourselves, nothing changes. Because think of all the things that you've been criticizing yourself for, right from childhood or for many years or even many months, and see if something has actually changed. If I say, oh, I never get up early enough to go to the beach, it doesn't change. I just keep thinking that I need to change it, but I don't change it. Because I'm angry with myself. I'm resentful of what I'm not doing. So it's like pointing a finger at myself. When others pointed a finger at us when we were children, we didn't like it. So it's the same thing that continues. No? If I'm pointing a finger at myself now, it's not going to change anything. With that pressure, for a short while, I might do something and then again it'll drop. Or with that pressure, I might keep doing something, I might actually succeed, but it creates so much stress in the body, in the mind, and it really doesn't help. Instead, if we can actually praise ourselves for what we are doing, and whenever we don't do something, be aware, okay, I haven't done it, and I would really like to do this, and not criticize ourselves, you can see how beautifully things will start falling in place. Praise works, criticism just kills us. That's it.